VW Touran with Golf Mark 8R steering wheel, DSG retrofit, Discover Media retrofit, dual climate retrofit with heated seats, Passat fully electric with memory, auto lights, folding mirrors, Audi Stalks, Scirocco Cluster. Now everything works as it should. Needle sweep activated. We got everything working. As you can see, if you want to see the cruise control, cruise on the wheel works. Now we also added the heated steering wheel, which does an algorithm like that. Blinks is level 1, level 2, level 3, and now it's off. So that is the heated steering wheel activated and deactivated. This is Touran, but it can be done in Caddies as well. Most of the Caddy people, they do put a Touran dash anyway. We got the frameless mirror, and later we're gonna add lane assist on it. Not yet, because there's no windscreen for this car, but hopefully we'll make a bracket for it. So there we are, Golf R Mark 8 steering wheel in Touran 2015. But it can be done in any version really, because we got a special module that can work. So all of this can be done in most of the Caddies anyway. Thanks for watching.